how you doing? I'm Seth.
I'm Will.
We're here today to do a quickie, little product tech talk on the Sonos One. So, why is the Sonos One good?
Why is it good?
Well, let's just talk the tech a little bit. Got a 1-inch tweeter. Yeah, we're gonna make this video snappy. Got a 3.5-inch driver in this. Sounds pretty good.
It does.
Pretty good. Got some nice, beautiful colors if you like black or white.
Yeah.
So, yep, they got every color you like if you're okay with black or white.
Works for me.
Occasionally they do have where there'll be celebrations, anniversaries, where they'll break out the, you were mentioning the pastel one they had a while ago.
Yeah.
They had a green one that was like for their anniversary or something like that. But those are kind of some of the pieces. What's great about Sonos is it works as part of this whole Sonos ecosystem.
Yes.
So if you want whole house audio, inside, outside, you can take one of these little speakers and have that playing either as its own entity.
Yes.
You add it in like a master bathroom or kitchen or something like that. Or if you want to rock and you got 18 areas of audio, you group your audio and then you got rocking sound. I get to bang your head and throw up a fork and have good sound. So,
yeah.
So there are a couple ways to also make your Sonos One sound better. So, Will, what's better than one Sonos One?
I'm just going to take a wild guess. Go with 2 is better than 1.
I'd say that's probably twice as good.
Yeah.
Yep. So these guys, you're able to set them up in a stereo configuration. So if you have kind of a larger room, want a little bit of sound, you got one there. You got one here. Oh, a little football pose. I like it. Maybe I can spin this thing and give it a punt.
I like the form on that. That was good.
That was good. I've been practicing. So you can get them in stereo configuration. You can also make them sound better by locating those things in corners. So anytime you put a speaker in a corner, you get a 3 decibel increase, which we as humans perceive as louder. So you get more bass having it in a corner than on a flat wall. You can also add, they got a thing called the Sonos Sub, which is their subwoofer. And they got a new one. We haven't seen it yet. But it's called the old Sub Mini. The $430 jobber, big hole in the middle. Supposed to sound good, but they don't exist yet. So we'll let you know in about a month or so.
Yeah, they're doing a little press release, little celebration for the Sonos Mini Sub. I heard like probably in the next couple of weeks.
Yep.
Early October-ish.
And actually, here's something from one of our partners. This is from one of the manufacturers called Leon. It's the name of the company, Leon Speakers.
Yeah.
In addition to speakers, you can't see it. There's a big 85-inch box over here. It's a Leon speaker for one of our clients. You got these nice, wood cabinets.
Solid.
They're available in a bunch of different colors. So instead of this thing looking like a speaker, it looks like a nice, beautiful wooden box. Don't drop it on your foot. It's kind of heavy. But that is called the Tone Case from Leon.
Yeah, their motto is the masters of custom audio.
Sure.
Yeah,
They make a lot of cool, clean, custom stuff. But anyways, that is our quick scoop on the Sonos One, and I give it a thumbs up. We like them a lot. Anything else you want to add on the Sonos One?
No. I mean, they make a Sonos Move if you want one that's because you still need to plug power into the Sonos One and the Sonos One SL. So as long as you have a power outlet, you can plug them in and take them anywhere. It doesn't have to be married to the kitchen or to the den.
Perfect, yep. So we're going to do more of these kind of just quick product blasts down the road, but thanks for watching.
Thanks. Have a good one.
Have a good day.